Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty isn't just skin deep. It's all about giving you the best insights into the products that can truly make a difference. If you're dealing with thinning hair, you know how hard it is to find a solution that really works, right? Well, today we're taking a deep dive into a product that claims to target hair follicles and promote healthy growth. Let's talk about the Reviv3 Procare Biotin for hair follicles. If you're curious about whether this product can help revive your hair, hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated on more in-depth reviews. Reviv3 Procare Biotin is designed as a hair growth complex that protects your hair from UV rays while boosting hair roots, making it particularly beneficial for those with thinning hair. This powder form product contains vitamin B complex, including biotin, which is well known for its role in promoting hair strength and growth. It's aimed at both natural and color-treated hair, so no need to worry if you've gone a few shades darker or lighter. The product's main benefits lie in its ability to support microcirculation and nutrient uptake in the scalp, which are key factors for encouraging hair follicles to thrive. This means that not only does it aim to support hair growth, but also works to protect and nourish hair from environmental damage like sun exposure. At 1.7 ounce, it's compact, but the formulation is designed to make a big impact on your hair care routine. I've been using this powder for a few weeks now, and integrating it into my routine was simple. You mix it with water, and the unflavored powder blends easily. No strange aftertaste or texture. I applied it directly to my scalp, as per the instructions, and noticed that it didn't leave any residue or greasy buildup. It's one of those products that feels light on the scalp, and I love that I don't have to worry about my hair feeling weighed down after use. Over the course of my trial, I didn't notice any dramatic overnight results, but after consistent use, I felt like my hair was looking healthier overall, and my scalp felt more nourished. The best part? My hair seemed to have a bit more volume, which is always a win when you're working with thinning hair. Now, let's weigh out the pros and cons. On the plus side, this product is easy to use, with no harsh chemicals or fragrances that could irritate sensitive skin. It's also packed with nutrients, so if you're looking for a biotin-packed product to support hair growth over time, this could be a great addition to your regimen. The price point is also pretty reasonable for a hair care treatment that includes high-quality ingredients. However, it's not a miracle product. Like most hair treatments, results take time. For those looking for immediate changes, this might not be the best fit. Additionally, while it's marketed as UV protection, it's not a replacement for physical sun protection or other UV protecting products. When it comes to value for money, this product offers a solid return on investment. While you can certainly find other biotin-based products out there, the added bonus of scalp health support and UV protection makes it stand out. Plus, the ingredient list feels high quality for its price. In comparison to other biotin hair care products, Reviv3 Procare stands out with its focus on microcirculation and nutrient uptake. Some other options don't dive into scalp health as deeply, focusing more on the surface-level hair strands. As for build quality, the packaging is functional, and while it's not particularly fancy, it's sturdy enough. The powder dispenses easily and doesn't make a mess when mixed with water. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Now, customer support. I haven't had any direct interactions with Reviv3 Procare's customer service, but their reputation in the market is solid. They seem responsive to customer concerns, and I've seen positive feedback about their service in general. While there are no updates to the formula that I've come across, if Reviv3 Procare were to make any future improvements, like adding additional hair repairing ingredients, it could really enhance the product's effectiveness. If you're on the hunt for similar alternatives, there are plenty of other biotin-based hair care products out there. But if you're looking for something that balances both scalp health and hair growth, Reviv3 Procare seems like a worthwhile investment. To wrap up, Reviv3 Procare Biotin for hair follicles is a solid choice for anyone with thinning hair looking to support hair growth from the root. while it won't give you an instant makeover, its long-term benefits, including scalp health and UV protection, make it a good addition to your hair care regimen. Just be patient. Real results take time. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. We love hearing your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.